All right, we're going to get started and talk about how to live like an Italian at home. One reason that I wanted to do this workshop, this virtual workshop, the very first one from Dream of Italy, is that I believe, as many of you do, that Italy is the antidote to this pandemic. It's the antidote to a lot of things, but I think especially this feeling of, we're just kind of sad, we're alone, we're inside. How can we live happier and healthier and continue to dream? Beauty. It's like Italy invented beauty. And I think we sometimes forget that beauty, it's funny, one of the expats I interview in the special coming up, said to me, beauty will save the world. And we had this interview a year ago before the world needed much more saving than ever. But I think this is one of the reasons why I think Italy and the Italian lifestyle is the antidote to this pandemic, because we'll always have beauty. There's always beauty. So in Italy, it's everything from the landscape to the scarf. I actually pulled out one of my favorite scarves that I want to... It's from Chianti Cashmere and the Chianti Cashmere farm. And Nora is an American veterinarian who moved to Italy and started this farm with goats. And she's in season 1 of Dream of Italy. And she's one of the most amazing people I've ever met, because to keep this business going is incredible. But they accessorize, it's not just beauty in the landscape. It's not just the art. It's the way they dress, fare la bella figura, to make a good presentation. Italians take time with appearances. They might set a table with flowers or something simple, but they make it beautiful. And I always say when I come back from Italy, I want to burn my yoga pants, because I've been among these fashionable people who are wearing beautiful clothes, and it makes a difference. It makes you feel better. I never wear makeup anymore. I'm putting it on today. I'm like, oh, I'm a new person. And I think that paying attention to beauty is important. And in my research, I found a study where Alzheimer's patients, they actually remember, or they recall their preferences, their aesthetic preferences, what they think is beautiful, both from long ago and from more recently. So it gives you an idea of how beauty touches us in so many ways. I think making your space beautiful. And if you want some ideas, watch the Tuscan Sun special with Frances Mays. Go in Brahma Sole. And the things that I noticed in there, I love the terracotta floors, but she buys antiques. They all have a story, these things that she has in her home. Here we go to TJ Maxx and we might have lots of stuff, but does it mean anything, or does it have a story? And I'm also a big fan of visualizing, and I need to get back to it. So if we're all trying to get to Italy, maybe we should put up some photos and paintings of this beautiful place.